In this video, I'll show you how to get your old W-2 from TurboTax. Now, let's say you uploaded a file way back, let's say in 2015 or in 2023, and from there you uploaded a W-2 form. Now, in order for you to get your old W-2 form, what you need to do is simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and below Tax Home, you want to choose the second option, which is Documents. Now, on the document section, it will actually show you all of the documents in which you have uploaded within TurboTax. And as you can see here, we have our W-2 form. So on the right-hand side, you will automatically see the date. And on the left-hand side of the updated section, you will automatically see the type. As you can see here, we have W-2 from 2025. Now, in order for you to see your old documents, what you can do is at the top, you will have an option to view documents from. On the right hand side of 2025, you can click on the drop down. So let's say you have uploaded in 2022. It will automatically fetch all of the documents in which you have uploaded within that time. And once you have that, let's say it will be on 2025, you will automatically see it. If you click on it, it will have an option to view that W-2 form. What you can also do is on the right hand side, if you click on the drop down, you will have an option to download, edit, or delete that W-2 form. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.